Well, I feel like my interest in Yiddishkeit and my interest in German history and Jewish history all comes from this desire to understand my identity as a Jewish woman. And I was finding at that time that what attached me most to Jewishness was the ritual and the culture, the language, the music, and the heritage, and it really it excited me that, I guess at that point it was only 1 century behind me, there had been people who were looking at Jewishness in a similar way. And after having been to Clare's camp and seeing that I wasn't the only person who was identifying Jewishly through culture, I definitely saw some parallels between what was going on in the 19th, early 20th century and what's going on today, or the today of the 1990s. I'm not alone in trying to connect with my past, and that a lot of people my age, maybe in part because of relationships with our grandparents, in part because we've grown up in a very, I feel like probably most of the people creating this work, and I'm probably wrong, but coming from fairly privileged, sheltered, safe upbringings, assimilated households, looking for something that helps define them. But I'm making broad statements just based on my experience, and that's definitely what I feel. We grew up in a world that, at least in some pockets of the world, that value multiculturalism and a sense of maybe a micro-identity within a larger sort of American modern identity.